Where do I even start? I just uncovered the hatch so you guys can get just a glimpse of what it looks like. Got it full of random shit inside. I do have an SIR spoiler here. Not an SIR, just a DX. Yeah, overall it's in really great shape. As far as body damage, I have this area here where I bumped it against a column I was trying to drift back in the day. But you can see I don't have any crazy rust on my rocker panels. They're all good. Yep. Alright guys, well it's been a month now, and since I started, and nothing's really been done physically on the car, but I've been getting myself like organized. Been thinking of what engine to put in this for a long time. Originally I was gonna put a B series, and then I was thinking, I was gonna put a single cam just to make it easy and simple, because I don't plan on racing this car. I just want to restore it, make it all pretty. And now there's like J series and K series that can be swapped, but I'm gonna use what I have around here, and I'm gonna see if I can build an LSV, because here I have a B18 block, and then over here I have a blown GSR. I plan to use the head off of that, get it built up, and just get it running. In the meantime too, I've been organizing all my things I have saved up. Like I said, I have most of like the suspension, but I have everything like scattered around. So I've been looking to see what all I have like an inventory wise, putting everything stacked in one area. Like I was about to order like it was like the bushings for the lower control arms there. I already have them, and I was about to order those again. So also, like last week I went to a powder coating place to get a quote on what they would charge me to do stuff, because I want to get all my suspension powder coated, replace all the bushings with like energy suspension bushings. But yeah, so there's little progress getting done, like that's not physically on the car. Also, like I've been learning to try to like edit the videos too, because I'm getting new to this, learning how to edit videos so I can upload for you guys. And well, I'll see what I get, see if I can get more progress done during this next month, and I'll go ahead and upload this video and see if you guys like it. Don't subscribe, guys.